In today's lesson, we are going to review place value. You will need a paper and pencil. What number am I showing? When I pull apart these hide zero cards, 47 will be broken down into two parts. They will be 40 and 7. 47 is made of 4 tens and 7 ones. On your paper, show me 47 using quick 10 drawings. Check to see if your drawing looks like mine. Here I have 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I have 7 ones. Notice how I kept them in that 5 group. 5, 6, 7. 4 tens, 7 ones. So you should have drawn 4 tens and 7 ones to make the number 47. Now on your paper, I want you to draw a place value chart with your tens and your ones. Fill in that chart and tell me how many tens are in the number 47. If you look at the number 47, you have 4 tens, so write the number 4 in the tens place. How many ones are in 47? If you look at the digit that's in the ones place, you will see there are 7 ones, so you will write the number 7 under the ones place on your place value chart. Look at this number. What number is it? It is 74. What does the digit 7 stand for? The 7 stands for 7 tens, or is the same thing as 70. What does the digit 4 stand for? It stands for 4 ones. Look at this number. What number is it? This is the number 84. What does the digit 8 stand for? 8 tens is the same as 80. And the digit 4 stands for 4 ones. Look at this number. What number is it? It is 65. What does the digit 6 stand for? 6 tens is the same as 60. What does the digit 5 stand for? It stands for 5 ones. Look at this number. What number is it? This is the number 73. If you look at the digit 7, it is in the tens place. So 7 tens is the same as 70. The digit 3 is in the ones place, so it stands for 3 ones. What number is this? This is the number 93. What does the digit 9 stand for? The digit 9 is in the tens place, so that is the same thing as 90. And the digit 3 in the ones place stands for 3 ones. Look at this number. What number is it? This is 100. What does the digit 10 stand for? Notice in this place value chart, we have 10 tens. That's the same thing as 100. You're counting by tens 10 times. And the 0 in the ones place stands for 0 or no ones. We do not have any ones in this number. So this makes the number 100. Look at this number. This is the number 64. What does the digit 6 stand for? The 6 in the tens place is the same as 60. And the digit 4 in the ones place means that we have 4 ones. Now let's draw a number bond to show the parts that make up 64. 64 is our total, and our two parts are 60 and 4. On your paper, I want you to write two number sentences that go with this number bond. You could say 60 plus 4 equals 64, or you could also say that 4 more than 60 equals 64. So you could have said 60 plus 4 equals 64, or 4 plus 60 equals 64. Either way, these are the two parts that give you your total of 64. Look at this number. This is the number 79. What does the digit 7 stand for? Since the 7 is in the tens place, it is the same thing as 7 tens or 70. The 9 in the ones place stands for 9 ones. Let's draw a number bond that shows the parts that make up 79. 79 is our total or our whole, and it is made of the two parts of 70 and 9. Now on your paper, write two number sentences that match this number bond. We can say that 9 more than 70 is 79, or we can say that 70 more than 9 is 79. So either way, both of these are correct. Look at this number. This is the number 97. What does the digit 9 stand for? In this number, we have the 9 in the tens place. So 9 tens is the same as 90. Here we have 7 ones. There's the digit 7 in the ones place, so it means we have 7 ones. Let's draw a number bond that shows the parts that make up 97. If you remember, the number bond is your part, total. So we have 90 and 7 as our two parts, and that makes up the number 97. Now on your paper, practice writing the two number sentences that match this number bond. We can say that 7 more than 90 is 97, or we can say that 90 more than 7 equals 97. Either way, both of these number sentences are correct. In today's lesson, we reviewed place value. Remember, a two-digit number is made of tens and ones.